In this video, we're going to be doing sublimation on slate. The first thing I did when I started to create this slate is I designed my sublimation print. I design in Word, but I have some other videos on other places that I design through too. You can find those on my YouTube channel, step-by-step tutorials. While my image was printing, I decided to preheat my press. I'm using an HTV Ront auto press for this, and the seconds only go up to 99. And so I set my temperature to 385 degrees Fahrenheit, and I want to press these slates for 495 seconds. So that's 8.25 or 8.25 minutes. And so I'm going to be pressing this 5 cycles through the 99 seconds. While my press is preheating, I'm going to clean my sublimation ready slate with a coffee filter. Coffee filters are lint free, and that's just my preference for cleaning them. And I'm also going to preheat the slate slightly. So I will put it under, I won't put the press down, but I will just put it under there for about 50 seconds just to warm it up and to get any moisture out of it. Now on my press, I have added a pressing pillow on top of my pressing mat that is part of my heat press. I like to use a pressing pillow with my HTV Ront just so that I know it's getting a good firm pressure on these slates. After my image is done printing, I cut it down to size, and as you can see on the left, I have set the slate on top of it so that I can make sure that it's going to have my image covering it 100%. And then on the right, you can see that I've taped that down, and now I'm going to put it on protective paper face up. So now I have the sublimation paper taped down really well onto the slate that is on top of protective paper, and now I've covered that with a Teflon sheet. The Teflon sheet will protect the paper, and it's going to create an even heat on this slate. So now after pressing this for 495 seconds at 385 degrees, I lifted off the Teflon sheet and I'm checking one corner just to make sure that the color came out real well before I untape. So the color looked good when I checked on those corners. So now I have untaped my image. This is extremely hot, so be very careful when you take it out and use heat-resistant gloves on this. I'm happy with the outcome of this slate. In fact, it came out so well that I had a hard time taking pictures because my camera kept wanting to take me to Venmo and PayPal. Is on the right there, you can see that I had made another sublimation slate about a year ago when my dog passed away. So then I ordered a case of these because I want to start doing some custom orders for memorials, for weddings, and some other things. But I'm really happy with this, how this turned out. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great day.